This feature is available only when the optional RCS unit is connected to the machine. Press the circle key next to the editing icon, and the editing window for the M1 hoop will open. If you wish to use a different hoop, press the circle key next to the hoop icon, and the function key assignments will change to hoop selection. Press the circle key corresponding to the desired hoop, and the editing window will change to the selected hoop size. To import the embroidery pattern or monogram into the editing window, press the menu key and then press the circle key next to the built-in design icon or monogramming icon. You can also open saved design files by pressing the Open File key. You can modify and combine the designs in the editing window. Moving the embroidery pattern. To move the embroidery pattern on the editing screen, press and drag the pattern to the desired location with your fingertip, or move it by pressing the arrow keys. Resizing the embroidery pattern. Press the circle key next to the resize icon to show the resize function key assignments. Press the circle key next to the enlarge or reduce icon to change the size of the selected pattern. The size of the pattern can be changed from 80 to 120% in 1% intervals. Press the circle key next to the return icon to show the previous function key assignments. Rotating the embroidery pattern. Press the circle key next to the rotate icon to show the rotation key assignments. Pressing this key rotates the pattern clockwise in 1 degree increments. Pressing this key rotates the pattern counterclockwise in 1 degree increments. Pressing this key rotates the pattern clockwise in 90 degree increments. Pressing this key rotates the pattern counterclockwise in 90 degree increments. Press the circle key next to the return icon to show the previous function key assignments. Deleting the embroidery pattern. Press the circle key next to the trash bin icon to delete the selected design. Press the circle key next to the right arrow to show the next function key assignments. Duplicating the embroidery pattern. Press the circle key next to the copy icon to duplicate the selected design. Flipping the embroidery pattern. Press the circle key next to the flip horizontal or flip vertical icon to flip the selected embroidery pattern. Monogram in an arc. In the editing mode, you can arrange lettering in an arc. Enter characters and press the circle key next to the arc icon. The arc function key assignments will be shown. Press the circle key next to the lower arc to make a lower arc. Press the circle key next to the upper arc to make an upper arc. Press the circle key next to the outward arrow icon to extend the arc length. Press the circle key next to the inward arrow icon to shrink the arc length. Press the circle key next to the return icon to show the previous function key assignments. Customizing the display color. You can simulate the actual color of the fabric and threads on the screen by changing the color of the editing screen and the pattern image. Press the circle key next to the color icon to show the display color function key assignments. Press this key to select the editing screen or pattern image to change the color. The color palette window will open. Press the icon key of the desired color and press and drag the slider key to change the shade of the selected color. Press the OK key to confirm the new color settings. Saving the file. The customized settings of the embroidery pattern or an original pattern can be saved as a file for future use. Press the circle key next to the Save File icon to open the File Save window. You can save the file to the following locations: the internal memory of the RCS unit, the internal memory of the MB4, an ATA PC card, or a USB memory device connected to the RCS unit. To select a location, press the circle key corresponding to the desired device. The folder list will be displayed on screen. Press the desired folder icon to show the file list. File names will be automatically assigned, starting with M001. Press the OK key to save the file to the selected folder. If you wish to change the name of the folder or file, press the circle key next to the rename icon. The keyboard window will open. Enter the desired file name and press the OK key. Please note that no more than 8 characters can be entered.